Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saurav Ghosh and today I have come up with another video. The topic that we are going to discuss today is arithmetical mean. The short form is AM. So basically in the previous video which I made on the topic mean, median, mode and range, we covered a lot of things in a less period of time and we didn't go in the detail. We just used the preview to get some knowledge, and today we are going to have a detailed video on the topic arithmetical mean. Something which I want to tell you before starting the video: this topic is included in high secondary, second year commercial mathematics and statistics. This topic is included in high secondary first year for the students having the subject economics in the statistical part. This topic is included in class 10 for mathematics and even in some junior classes also. So this video is going to be beneficial for a wide section of the student population. So today we will basically get three types of categories while solving these problems. We will get number 1 individual series, number 2 discrete series, number 3 continuous series. So basically the most easiest one is individual series. So we are going to start up by solving some sums of individual series. These sums carry 1 mark, maximum 2 marks in some cases. In junior classes it gets 3 to 4 marks, but in high secondary level 1 to 2 mark. 1 mark is the maximum. So, and maximum marks on arithmetical mean is going to come from the continuous series section, because it is quite a lengthy process, not difficult but lengthy. So you see, sum 1, find the AM. AM is also represented by X bar, remember this, of 15, 20, 10, 35, 32. So you see, when you get such rough type of figure, 2 to 3 figures or 5 figure, in having no thing common, or means just means no relation, so it is called individual series. You will understand, if you do the sums you will understand. So arithmetical mean equals to 15. For 1 mark, 2 mark you don't need to write formulas. 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 35 plus 32. Total number of observation divided by number of observation. Total number of observation means you see total observation. We have added total, sum means total, and number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 divided by 5. So if you sum it up, you will get as 112 by 5. The answer is 22.5, 22.4. 22.4 is the arithmetical mean. I hope it is visible. The sum is completed. This is very easy. This is on the individual series. Now we are going to solve sums on discrete series. Sum 2. We are giving some serial numbers. From the following data, I hope you all are liking the video. If you are really liking, just subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video and share it to your friends, because don't capture the knowledge you have, try to spread the knowledge. Let everyone have the knowledge which you are having, so that everyone gets good numbers, good results. From the following data of the marks obtained by 40 students, you see here total number of observation is given 40. These are something which saves your time. 40 students of a class. Find the arithmetical mean, AM. You see here it is given marks. Marks is X. Number of students, it is F. Frequency means repetition. Means 20 marks is obtained by 5 students. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Here 5, 10, 12, 8, 5. Here the formula is quite simple. Summation of fx by n. Summation of fx by summation of f can also be written. Both are right. It is up to you how you write, how you present, but both are correct. I am going to write n because here n means total number of observation. If you sum it up, 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5, you will get it as 40. X means marks. Number of students. F. One of my subscriber commented that he is unhappy with the quality and video quality and sound quality. My friend, I replied him, but I am replying this to everyone. I am very sorry for the problem that you have to face, but you see, without problem you can't learn anything. You have to take some problem, you have to do some sacrifice for the learning. Actually it is not so easy that you will do anything. And for me also, I can't afford, I don't have money to buy big phones and cameras. This is a very old fashioned phone. Actually it is recording, that is only my good luck. This phone hardly works, and my father can give me phone, but I don't want to buy phone from my father's money. I will earn my own money and I will buy a phone, and I will try my level best at that time to give you better quality content. 5, 10, 12, 8, 5. So you see, now we will do summation. This into this, 20 into 5, 100. 250 means 250 you will get. It is the product of 25 and 10. 30 into 12, 360. 35 into 8, 280. 40 into 5, 200. Summation of fx is, sum it up, plus it, 1190. N equals to 40. No need to sum it up, it is given in the question. These are the tricks which I say, which my teachers told me, advised me to save some time. X bar equals to summation of fx by n, 1190 by 40. 1190 by 40, 0 gets cancelled, and if we divide it, we will get the answer as 29.75. 29.75. The sum is completed. You will get full marks. The sum is fully completed. From my section, I hope you all got the point which I wanted to say to you. Actually, there are some problem sums also which I am very interested in doing with you all. Let's see your response, because one-sided learning cannot be done, that I am teaching and going on teaching, and you all are not watching, you all are not in a mood of watching these videos. You are watching food videos, song videos, comedy videos. But so if you show response and comments that whether you have got the concept or not, and if you want the next part, then I will surely make a next part. But see, these are very important topic, very important. If you have the concept and if you have some less marks, doesn't matter, you are going to be successful. Sum 3. But failures you will get. Failures, I won't say that you won't get failures. Failure is the mother of all success. You have to accept failure if you want to get success. Now, sum 3. Find arithmetic mean. And never lose hope, my friends, never lose hope. I know my situation. In this period of crisis, this corona season, I'm giving high secondary final exam. You think in what a situation I am. Visited means teachers give online classes and I have very poor internet connection. I can't attend the classes. Whatever I did, it was whatever I understood I did, and I am teaching you all also. So don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Marks, number of student. Marks means X, number of student means F. Frequency. 10, 6, 20, 4, 30, 10, 40, 12, 58, 64. Now let's see if I can adjust in this page. You see, we should save page, especially a boy from middle class family always had the intention to save page so that he can do more work in less space. Marks X, number of students F, and fx no fx. Why I wrote fx and then cancelled it? So that you all can remember that the person in the video first of all wrote fx and then cancelled it, because no, I was wrong. This is not a sum of continuous series. Next we are going to do a sum of continuous series. This is a sum of discrete series, so we need fx. And in case of continuous series we need fm. M means mid value, just the variable will change. In place of x we will write m, nothing more than that. And here these are tough sums, so we will take assumed mean method. We will do the assumed mean method to solve this sum, so that the calculation becomes less difficult. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6, 4, 10, 12, 8, 4. I hope it is visible. Yeah, it's visible. Now we need to assume some, means we will go via the process of assumption mean. Let us assume that the mean is 40. Let a equals to 40. So we will find out now d. D is x minus a, means 10 minus 40, 20 minus 40. Always assume the middle one as assumed mean. This is my personal opinion. You can assume anything, it's up to you. So u3, you see, sorry, 10 minus 40 minus 30, and you see here the class interval is 10, so you just start adding 10. Minus 30 plus 10 minus 20, minus 20 plus 10 minus 10. Then minus 40 means minus 10 plus 10 0, 0 plus 10 10, 10 plus 10 20. Now you see here something is common. 10 is common in all, so you find d prime. D prime equals to d minus x minus a divided by I. Directly you can say d divided by I. So you divide all the numbers by 3, means by 10. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now you have to do f d prime. You see that this is quite a lengthy process, but if you follow this process, at the end calculation becomes easy. And if you don't follow this process, you can go via summation of fx by n, the usual process. But if you go in that process, the later calculation becomes very difficult. It cannot be done with ordinary hands. You need the help of calculator. Except some genius students, I don't belong to that category, so I do in such a way. If you have calculator, if your teacher allows you to sit with calculator, then do with calculator. Minus 18, minus 8, minus 10, 0, 8, 8. Now here you see n equals to 44. Sum it up. N means sum. And summation of f d prime. F d prime means f into d prime. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. That is the technique. Here you will get the summation as minus 20. Don't worry, you can get summation in terms of minus, so that is not a big deal. When we will move on to the final part, you will understand. Now the final part. I hope it is visible. Yeah. X bar equals to a plus summation of f d prime by n into y. This is the formula. Sometimes teacher may ask you to do via the process of step deviation, sometimes assumed mean. Anything can be asked. You have to be prepared. 40 plus minus 20 by 44 into 10. 40 minus 4.5. The answer is 35.5. This sum is completed. It was a very lengthy sum, very lengthy. But if you understand, it is easy. Sum 4, last sum of the video. Let's see what's the duration. If I do, let's see, this is a time consuming sum. Class interval, frequency. Class interval, this is the sum of continuous series. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now, class frequency 4, 4, 9, 20, 12, 6, 3, 2. Now let's start solving. This is more lengthy than the previous one. And you see, I personally have found something which I want to tell you. Actually, when we sit to study, physically we are present here, but actually mentally we are present somewhere else. That the situation I have faced, it's always in me. I am always in a separate nation. The nation is called imagination. So I stopped watching TV. Actually, you see, means in TV there are a large number of shows, means reality shows. They get fame, they means the people, but they means, you see, that's basically because of money. You see, at the end of the day, money talks. And means we can also go to reality show, but it is meaningless to invest father's hard-earned money in something temporary. We have to invest it in such a way that we can get high returns in less investment. That is the philosophy, that is the concept. So many people are following that concept. I also follow that concept. CI, mid value. Mid value means X, mid value. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Yeah, I do Facebook. In Facebook I watch memes. It gives me refreshment. All the single peoples usually are attracted to the meme section, like me. So here the mid value. Mid value, the formula of mid value is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. And see, here the difference is 10. So you keep on adding 10. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 55, 65, 75. Mid value is done. Now you write the frequency which is given in the question. 4, 4, 9, 20, 12, 6, 3, 2. Actually, I don't even have friends. My only friends are my subscribers, my viewers. So whenever I get time, I communicate with you all, because you see, people actually don't like to talk with me. Actually, I am always all alone. Don't have brother or sister, friends I don't have. I am all alone, and that's not a problem for me. I prefer to walk my own path, because you see, in tough roads leads to successful destinations, and people don't encourage you to go to tough roads. They say go to the easy one, and the person who goes to the tough roads does not get any help, no friends, no nothing. So in the end of the day, you have to stay alone and fight your own battle, and which I am fighting from many years, from my childhood. So I don't face any problem. Nowadays I have got my viewers and subscribers, they comment. I like to interact with them. Things apart, we will solve this sum by the process of step deviation. We will assume the mean. Let's assume the mean to be 35. 35 is the mid value, means in the middle. that's not any foremost rule you have to assume 35 45. You can assume anything. A B 35. Let. So same procedure, we will find out D means x minus a. I am writing the formula so that it can be easy for you to understand. So minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, same step, same process, just going first you do minus 30, then you add plus 10, similar process, just go on adding 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now you do d prime. D prime is, you see 10 is common, divide everything by 10, d by I equals to 10. I am writing for you so that you can understand. Minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you do f d prime. F d prime. Minus 12, minus 8, minus 9, 0. 12, 12, 9, 8. Summation of f d prime equals to 12. And here n equals to 60, means summation of f. And you see, you will get problems in your life, and when you will stop getting problem in your life, at that time you remember that God does not trust you. Why God is giving me problem, or anyone giving some problem? Because God has trust in us that we will overcome the problem. When problem will stop, when God will not give you any problem, you have to remember, you assume that God is not trusting us. God is thinking that, yeah, he can't come out of the problem, so I shall not give him any problems. That trust should not be broken. Means God will probably give you problem, you solve it and prove it to God. Yes, I have the capacity to prove the problems, to solve the problems. X bar equals to a plus summation of f d prime by n into I. So this is the formula. 35 plus 12 divided by 60 into 10, it goes 35 plus 2, 37. 37 is the answer to the question. Yeah, 37 is the answer to the question. I hope all of you have understood my explanation. If I did something wrong in this sum, actually I remember I wrote FM by mistakenly, because you please forgive me. I am not a professional teacher. I am just a student who is willing to teach others what I have learned. So thanks for watching these videos. Please show your response in the comment section, by subscribing the channel, by giving a like button. Your single comment gives us a lot of motivation. By us, I mean to say me and my family. Thanks for watching this video.